20,000 traffic accidents each year involving personal injury, not to mention congestion that negatively impacts the economy to the tune of tens of billions. And that's just on German motorways. The question is, how can these figures be reduced? One approach is highly automated driving. Highly automated vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor their surroundings. However, their awareness is often limited by the range of the sensors, as well as by interference from other vehicles. For example, there is often not enough time to detect vehicles in front if they suddenly have to brake. The new Providentia digital infrastructure, a project led by Fortiss and its partners, represents a promising solution. Sensors such as radars and cameras are currently undergoing testing along a stretch of the A9 motorway. These sensors detect the precise position of all road users and model the current traffic situation within an anonymous digital twin, which is then sent to highly automated vehicles via the new 5G mobile network. Thanks to the Providentia infrastructure, there are no restrictions on the level of road traffic awareness. If a vehicle approaches while in the process of changing lanes, for example, the Providentia sensors can spot this movement from afar and share the information with highly automated vehicles. This extensive information enables a calm, proactive, and enjoyable driving experience. Other benefits include fewer accidents, less congestion, resource-efficient driving, and improved traffic flows. This new infrastructure solution is good news for everyone involved. Safe, connected driving on a digitally assisted motorway. Providentia.